Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2013 JX35. Infiniti's new JX35 is a comfortable driving 7-passenger crossover type SUV. With easy third-row entry from either side from a sliding middle row, the JX35 is great for getting the family to the next event safely and in style and comfort. With continual technological advancements and a refined interior, it will also be one of the best times you will have on that hard, busy day, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, child safety locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.